Hello friends, welcome to Higher Math Center. Today we are going to discuss a question based on abstract algebra, and the statement of the question is: let F be a map from A to A where A is a non-empty set, and we have to show that F is injective if and only if for every subset S of A, pre-image F, composition F of S is equal to S. So let us try to solve it. First, we will assume that F is injective map, and what this means is that uh, in the previous video we had seen that F is injective if and only if it has a left inverse. So you can check that video in the I button. So we can write it as if and only if F has a left inverse, and we define it as G from A to A such that Gx is equal to pre-image of X. So for all X belongs to A, G of F of X is equal to X. Now we can write this expression as: for all X belongs to A, pre-image composition F of X is equal to X for all X belongs to A. So this is another way of saying that for all subsets S of A, pre-image composition F of S is equal to S. Notice guys that I am using the term pre-image and not the inverse, because here we are not sure whether F is a bijective map or not. We are only sure that it is injective map, so we cannot use the word inverse because otherwise the result is obvious. Now I would like to give a quick exercise, because a lot of theory is not good. We should also verify our lesson learned in theory to actually demonstrate by solving some actual questions. So consider a function from f from integers to integers defined by fx is equal to x if x is even, and fx is equal to 2x minus 1 otherwise, that is if x is odd. So I am leaving you with this exercise in which you have to show that the map is 1 1, and since this map is 1 1, there must exist a left inverse, and I am leaving you with this exercise to find the left inverse of f. Thank you very much guys for listening, and I hope you will find this and answer us in the comments below. Thank you very much.